Vid Ai by Matt Parr. What it is, what it does, what additions will be shortly added, such as the ability to create longer videos over 8 minutes for YouTube monetization. Vid Ai is an AI-powered video generation platform co-founded by Matt Parr, a seasoned YouTube entrepreneur known for his expertise in creating and monetizing faceless YouTube channels. Launched on October 12, 2024, Vid Ai aims to simplify and accelerate the video creation process, particularly for short-form content. Key features of Vid Ai: AI-powered video creation. Vid Ai enables users to generate high-quality videos quickly by automating various aspects of video production, including script writing, voiceovers, and editing. This allows creators to produce engaging content without the need for extensive technical skills. Focus on short-form content. The platform is optimized for creating short-form videos, catering to the growing demand for concise and engaging content on platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Upcoming features. According to Matt Parr's official website, Vid Ai plans to expand its capabilities to include the generation of long-form videos. This upcoming feature will enable users to create videos exceeding 8 minutes in length, aligning with YouTube's monetization policies that allow for mid-roll ads on videos longer than 8 minutes. By incorporating long-form video creation, Vid Ai aims to provide content creators with more opportunities to monetize their content effectively on YouTube. Could this become the best faceless video creation AI software? Vid Ai has strong potential to become the best faceless video creation AI software, especially considering Matt Parr's background in YouTube automation and faceless channels. However, whether it becomes the top choice depends on several factors. Strengths of Vid Ai: AI-powered automation. The ability to generate videos with AI-driven scripts, voiceovers, and editing is a major advantage for faceless YouTube creators. Upcoming long-form video support. The addition of videos longer than 8 minutes will make it more competitive for monetization. Matt Parr's expertise. His knowledge of faceless YouTube strategies ensures that Vid Ai is tailored for success in this niche. Challenges and competition. Competing AI video tools. Platforms like Synthesia, Pictory, InVideo, and HeyGen already offer similar AI video creation features. Vid Ai will need to differentiate itself with better quality, ease of use, or pricing. Customization and uniqueness. Many AI-generated videos look similar. To dominate the market, Vid Ai must ensure its content isn't generic or robotic. Scalability and pricing. If Vid Ai offers competitive pricing with high-quality outputs, it can attract more users. Final verdict. If Vid Ai successfully delivers high-quality long-form videos, natural AI voices, and effective editing tools, it could become the top faceless video creation software. However, it must outshine well-established competitors in video quality, customization, and ease of monetization to truly dominate the market. A comparison of Vid Ai versus other AI video creation tools. When evaluating AI-powered faceless video creation tools, several platforms stand out, each offering unique features tailored to different content creation needs. Here's a comparison of Vid Ai, Synthesia, Pictory, InVideo, and HeyGen 1, Vid Ai. Overview. Co-founded by YouTube entrepreneur Matt Parr, Vid Ai focuses on automating the creation of short-form videos suitable for platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Key features: AI-powered video generation, quickly produces short-form videos optimized for social media engagement. User-friendly interface, designed for ease of use, allowing creators to generate content without extensive technical skills. Upcoming features: long-form video support. Plans to introduce capabilities for creating videos longer than 8 minutes, aligning with YouTube's monetization requirements. Considerations: emerging platform. As a newer entrant, Vid Ai is still expanding its feature set and user base. 2. Synthesia. Overview. Synthesia specializes in creating AI-generated videos featuring realistic avatars and voiceovers, catering to a global audience. Key features: AI avatars. Offers over 230 AI avatars that can present content in videos. Multilingual support supports voiceovers in more than 140 languages. Template library provides over 60 customizable video templates for various use cases. Considerations: enterprise focus. Primarily targets corporate clients, which may influence pricing and feature availability. 3. Pictory. Overview. Pictory enables users to transform text content into professional quality videos, streamlining the content repurposing process. Key features: script to video conversion. Converts scripts or articles into engaging videos with AI-generated voiceovers and relevant visuals. URL to video transforms blog posts or web content into videos, enhancing content reach. Video highlights. Automatically extracts highlights from longer videos to create concise summaries. Considerations: customization limitations. While efficient, the platform may offer less customization compared to more advanced video editing tools. 4. InVideo. Overview. InVideo is a versatile AI video generator suitable for creating both short-form and long-form content across various platforms. Key features: extensive template collection. Provides a vast array of templates for different industries and content types. AI script generation. Assists in generating video scripts based on user input. Stock media library. Access to a comprehensive library of stock footage, images, and music. Considerations: learning curve. The abundance of features may require time for new users to fully grasp. 5. HeyGen. Overview. HeyGen focuses on creating AI-powered avatar videos, allowing users to produce content featuring virtual presenters. Key features: AI avatars. Enables the creation of videos with customizable avatars that can deliver content. Video translation offers AI-powered translation features to produce videos in multiple languages. Template variety. Provides templates for different video types, including explainers and tutorials. Considerations: avatar realism. While advanced, the avatars may not fully replicate the nuances of human presenters. Conclusion: each of these platforms offers distinct advantages. Vid Ai is ideal for creators focusing on short-form content, with upcoming features aimed at long-form video production. Synthesia excels in producing videos with realistic AI avatars and extensive language support, making it suitable for corporate training and global outreach. Pictory is beneficial for repurposing existing text content into videos, streamlining content marketing efforts. InVideo offers versatility with a vast template library, catering to various content creation needs. HeyGen specializes in avatar-based videos, providing innovative solutions for presentations and tutorials. The choice among these tools should be guided by specific content goals, desired features, and the level of customization required. Would you say investing in Vid Ai, considering its future upgrade to enable the creation of longer videos, is worth considering? Yes, investing in Vid Ai is worth considering, especially if you're focusing on faceless YouTube content and want to take advantage of its upcoming long-form video capabilities. Here's why. Reasons to invest in Vid Ai. Long-form video support, coming soon. This feature will allow users to create videos over 8 minutes, making it easier to monetize with YouTube's ad system. This is a major upgrade, as most current AI video tools focus on short-form content. Matt Parr's expertise. Since Matt Parr is a YouTube automation expert, Vid Ai is designed with monetization in mind, ensuring that it aligns with YouTube's algorithm and best practices. Early adopter advantage. If you invest early, you might get access to lifetime deals or discounted pricing before the platform scales and potentially raises its prices. AI-powered efficiency. The ability to automate video creation, script writing, voiceovers, and editing could save a lot of time compared to traditional video production. Potential risks to consider. Feature execution. While long-form video support is planned, it's not yet available. If the implementation is slow or lacks quality, it could impact the tool's usefulness. Competition. Other AI video creation tools like Synthesia, InVideo, and Pictory already offer long-form video solutions. Vid Ai needs to outperform them in quality, customization, and pricing to become the best choice. AI content uniqueness. If too many people start using Vid Ai, there's a chance that videos may look too similar, which could affect engagement and monetization potential. Final verdict: should you invest? If you want an AI video tool built for YouTube monetization and are willing to wait for the long-form upgrade, Vid Ai is a solid investment. However, if you need long-form videos right now, it might be worth testing alternatives like InVideo or Pictory while keeping an eye on Vid Ai's development. Pricing and comparison monetization potential across different tools. When evaluating AI-powered video creation tools for faceless YouTube content, it's essential to consider both pricing and monetization potential. Below is a comparison of Vid Ai, Synthesia, Pictory, InVideo, and HeyGen, focusing on these aspects. 1. Vid Ai. Pricing: monthly plan, $67 per month, rising to $99 unless joining soon. Yearly plan, $67 per month, billed annually. Features: AI-generated short-form videos suitable for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Upcoming support for long-form videos exceeding 8 minutes, aligning with YouTube's monetization requirements. Monetization potential. The forthcoming long-form video support will enable creators to produce content eligible for mid-roll ads on YouTube, enhancing revenue opportunities. 2. Synthesia. Pricing: starter plan, starting from $18 per month. Creator plan includes additional features. Pricing details available on request. Enterprise plan. Custom pricing based on organizational needs. Features: AI avatars capable of delivering content in over 140 languages. Extensive template library for various video types. Monetization potential. Synthesia's capabilities are well suited for creating engaging content that can attract a broad audience, thereby enhancing monetization prospects through increased viewership and ad revenue. 3. Pictory. Pricing: starter plan, $19 per month. Professional plan, $39 per month. Teams plan, $99 per month. Features: transform scripts or articles into videos with AI-generated voiceovers. Offers a vast library of royalty-free videos and images. Monetization potential. By converting existing content into videos, Pictory allows creators to efficiently expand their content library, potentially increasing ad revenue through more frequent uploads. 4. InVideo. Pricing plus plan, $28 per month. Max plan, $48 per month. Features: extensive template collection suitable for various industries. AI script generation and a comprehensive stock media library. Monetization potential. InVideo's versatility supports the creation of diverse content types, enabling creators to cater to different audience segments and enhance monetization through varied content offerings. 5. HeyGen. Pricing: creator plan, starting from $24 per month. Business plan includes advanced features. Pricing details available on request. Enterprise plan. Custom pricing tailored to large organizations. Features: customizable AI avatars and voice cloning capabilities. Supports video translation into multiple languages. Monetization potential. HeyGen's multilingual support and realistic avatars can help creators reach international audiences, potentially increasing viewership and ad revenue across different regions. Conclusion: investing in Vid Ai is a strategic consideration, particularly with its upcoming long-form video support, which aligns with YouTube's monetization criteria. However, it's advisable to assess your specific content creation needs, budget, and desired features. Exploring free trials or starter plans of these platforms can provide hands-on experience to determine the best fit for your objectives. For more information, click my affiliate link https://vid.ai/ref=Stephen B. If you decide to purchase this product, I will receive a commission payment which will not add to the cost. Please comment, like, share and subscribe to this channel for more recommended ways to make money online from home. Thank you.